Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. So this morning, y'all get to see me drop Kosi off to school. And I'm going to talk to you in a minute, but say bye, Coco.
Bye.
Alright, so he's about to go off to school. Don't jump out. Not yet. Are you trying to get away from me?
No.
Alright, let me pull up some more. You know, these kids, some of them don't think their parents are fly or cool, so they try to get away from you as quickly as possible, so they're not seen with you. But I think I passed the cool test, so.
Yeah, you did.
Alright, I love you. Alright, see you later. And he's off. $2:30. I'll pick you up right here in the same line, right?
Alright, yeah.
Alright.
Same thing, but have that on your front window.
Alright, bud. Alright, have a good day. Love you.
Alright, and they'll ask you what my name is.
Mm-hmm.
Say, and Coach Mackenzie, 5th grade.
It says it on the thing.
Yeah, but it only says Mackenzie. You're supposed to say it.
You're telling these people your whole everything information.
I was trying to tell you that.
But I know all that already.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Weirdo. And he's off. Alright, so I'm gonna sit here for a minute and talk to you for a minute. Then I have to go out the gate. So morning thoughts, right? Parents are out here dropping their kids off to school and all that. Somebody said, SouFLo, don't trim off the beard enough. I like it, make it grow. I actually been getting a lot of compliments on the beard, and I haven't even let it grow out fully yet. But I'm not a hair person. I actually just because I'm not back in scrubs and not back at work yet is why I did this, let the hair grow out. But it's my free paper soon, but up, people. In about a week or two, you'll see me back at it again, okay? I don't know if I'm going to be in Texas or in Florida. I'm trying to get a contract in Florida. Where's my manners? First of all, big up to everybody going out to work this morning. I hope you have a progressive and productive day. I'm sitting in the line at my kid's school because I just dropped him off, and you can see, well, I was going to flip the camera around, but I don't see that on here. So I'm sitting in the line at my kid's school, just dropped him off. I know y'all did the same thing this morning, whether you drop your child off to school or you're on your way to work or you're coming home from work. This morning thoughts is for working class people. I don't have any pressing news to tell you this morning other than to motivate yourself today. All right? Motivate yourself to push through. Today is Tuesday. It's been a long weekend right into the week for me. I not play daddy, I do daddy role. So doing my daddy duties, it's been a long week for me. Or a long weekend into the week. So I look forward to some rest when I get some at some point. But between my child's football schedule and running my channel and the baby, it's a lot. It's a lot. Let me see. Stay tuned to the channel. I don't have to tell nobody. I don't have to tell you about I appreciate everybody that's supporting, whether you're supporting by just viewing the videos or you're supporting by viewing the videos, subscribing to the channels. Some people view the videos, subscribe to the channel, leave donations, all of them. Buy shirts, buy merchandise from the merch store, all of that stuff. I appreciate every single bit of it, okay? I'm grateful and I'm honored. Now, let's talk about motivating self again. This video won't be too long. Motivating yourself. Sometimes you have to do that. Sometimes you have to dig deep and motivate yourself. Sometimes you have to be the person to pat yourself on the shoulder, because nobody is going to pat you on the shoulder. You know what I'm saying? Nobody's going to pat you on the shoulder and say, good job. It doesn't mean you should stop. Sometimes we don't get the praises that we look for. Sometimes we don't get the, yay, you're doing so good. We're so proud of you. You don't get that. But you know that you're doing, and you're doing for a reason. So it's like being we live in a society where enough people are lazy. Okay? There are a lot of lazy people out there, don't want to get up and go do anything with themselves. So I have to big up daily the people who dedicate themselves to doing good. Dedicate them, and I say doing good, I mean you find a work somewhere. You don't have to be no fancy career. You find an employment. You find gainful employment somewhere where you can help to pay the bills and these kinds of things. And you get up and you dedicate yourself to making sure that you're going to work daily and you're taking care of your family and these kinds of things, right? So, big up to all that. Be your biggest cheerleader for yourself and motivate yourself today. I started the video out by talking about today is Tuesday because that's how the week always feels for those of us who work really hard. When Monday is Manic Monday because everything is crazy, it's back to work. Tuesday, it's, oh gosh, I still have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to go. That's why they have Wednesday is called Hump Day, right? Okay, if I get past Wednesday, I just have Thursday, and then Friday is the weekend, it's here. That kind of thing. So motivate yourself. Be your biggest motivator. Be your biggest advocate for doing great. That's all I got to say to you today. Oh, one more thing. Don't let nobody try to tell you about your career choice or your job or your... People like to downplay people. I saw somebody saying, when I'm saying, oh, they was making fun of a girl because she says she works in the nursing field. And somebody said, you work in the nursing field, but you're only a CNA, a certified nursing assistant. You're not a nurse. So don't tell nobody that you work in the... She does work in the nursing field. Wanna stop down people, man. Stop down people. Whether you're a nurse's assistant or a nurse, you're still nursing you're doing, right? You're not a certified nurse, but you're a certified nursing assistant. Why down the person? Everybody on their journey, you know. So, and make people be proud of what they do. I don't know why, but I do know why. People feel like they have to down people and make people hide what they do for a living because them feel bad because they're not a lawyer, doctor, teacher. People have them employment. They're gainfully employed. This is where we need to start complimenting people and big them up. Even the brother that working on the garbage truck. That's why we have so many of our youths in society today that are like, well, I didn't make it all the way to the top of this, so I'm going to turn to get illegal money some other way because me don't want nobody laugh after me cut through me and hop off a garbage truck a morning time. Let me tell you something. I know a Jamaican dude right here in Florida. I know a couple of them, but one particular one comes to mind right now. This man is a garbage man, if you want to call him that. He works for waste management, and the man have a damn good life. He got a nice house, he have a wife that loves him very much. His children, him raise all, I'm a big man for me. Raise all his children and send them off to college and everything, and still on his work for 20-something years. He's going to retire with a lovely pension. You understand? He's going to retire with a lovely pension. He started out when he was younger, jumping off the back of the garbage truck and grabbing the garbage and throwing it in. As the years went by, the things changed. Technology developed. He gained rank through the garbage company. So he went from the boy who would jump off of the back of the garbage truck to somebody that now drove one of these trucks. The same company sent him to school, taught him how to drive and operate these trucks. Then he drives around picking up the big commercial garbage with the big machine, something on the side of the truck that dumps it into. So now he has a CDL license. He does truck driving. And him go from that to that to that to where he's at now. He's something of a boss within waste management. So don't let nobody tell you about, oh God, that you do for your living, you jump off a garbage truck. You're not robbing anybody. You're not stealing from nobody. You're waking up and you're going out to get your daily bread honest living, right? This is what keeps you out of prison. This is what keeps you out of an early grave for the most part. This is what keeps you sleeping at night because you work tired and you go home and you sleep comfortable and you sleep good because you know, say, at least at the end of the week or every 2 weeks, whatever, your paycheck is coming in, and it may not be drug dealer money, but it's money to put food on your table, pay your bills, take care of your family, and you live comfortably off of it if you live within your means. So don't make nobody down you about what you do. Be proud about what you do, alright? Whether you are assistant or you are the or titled whatever, doesn't matter. So big up to everybody that have gainful employment. I don't care if y'all cut grass. I know people in Florida that cut grass for a living and make damn good money doing it. You know why? Because they started out pushing a lawnmower, walking around their neighborhood, cutting people grass for $20, $30. They went from that till them buy a little truck, register them business, give it a name, Wayne's landscaping. Before you know it, have clientele up the wazoo, truck get bigger. Now it's Wayne's Landscaping. There's actually a dude here, a Jamaican dude named Wayne's Landscaping, and this is what he does. He owns a landscaping company, and him start out cutting people grass, right? So I'm telling you, don't let nobody laugh you out of what you're into, all right? Long as you ain't robbing, stealing, or killing nobody to get your daily bread, you go ahead and do it, man. All right, big up on yourself. May I motivate people because my audience motivates me as well. All right, I love y'all, all the good, honest people out there. When I don't know, have a blessed and productive day. Yes, it's SouFLoTV. I'm out, about to go into traffic. Peace.